I'll guide you through how to back up WhatsApp from Android to Google Drive the easy way without losing your valuable chat history. If you're looking to switch to a new Android phone or simply want to create a safety net for your important conversations and media, and so need to back up your WhatsApp data, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Part 1. The preparation. Before you begin, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an active Google account, the Google Drive app installed on your phone, a stable internet connection, and enough free storage on both your phone and in your Google Drive. Part 2. Backing up your chats. On your Android, open WhatsApp. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Next, tap on Chats, and then select Chat Backup. Here you can choose to back up to your Google Drive and set your backup frequency: daily, weekly, or monthly. Remember to also enable the option to include videos if you want to save them. Note that a new backup will overwrite the previous one. For added security, you can enable end-to-end encrypted backups by setting a password. This adds an extra layer of protection to your chat history. The backup is also tied to your phone number and Google account, so be sure to use the same ones when restoring on a new device. Finally, tap the backup button to start the process. Part 3. Troubleshooting. If your backup gets stuck, first check your internet connection. If that doesn't work, clear your WhatsApp cache. Also make sure you have enough storage on your phone and Google Drive. These simple steps can solve most backup problems. Now that you've learned how to back up your WhatsApp data, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.